Hi there, my name is Patrick Tan and I'm one of the team members that created the app TrailMix. The purpose of our app is to create a randomized music playlist that plays during the duration of your commute to work or school. This app is intended for anyone who commutes to school, work, or any other forms of transportation. We wanted to make this app because while we really liked listening to music on our commutes to school or work or anything in particular, we always had a problem with safety and having to fiddle with the radio whenever we didn't like the songs that we were listening, or worse yet, if we were listening to our phones, we had to touch our phones or look away from the road while we were driving in order to change the playlist or reshuffle our music playlist. So we wanted to make an app that could musically generate, randomize a playlist that you can listen to for the exact amount of time that you were going to commute. We used Java for this app along with Google API, more specifically Google Distance Matrix API, and we used Android Studio for our programming. And now here's my team member, Andy Goering, to explain more about how our app works.
Hi, so I'm Andy from JPA Technologies, and I'm going to show you our new app called TrailMix. So say, we want a car trip that takes 24 minutes, so I'm going to input 24 minutes, and I'm going to hit start, and then it starts playing music. And once the playlist gets going, say I don't like Hard Day's Night. I mean, Hard Day's Night is great, but just for the sake of example, I'm going to skip it. So I can skip the song, and then it'll go to a different song, or I can skip it again, or skip it again, whatever I want. And I can skip it as many times as I want, and it'll try to make sure that it doesn't repeat a song that you've just skipped. Although eventually, if you get through the whole music library, then of course it's going to have to start repeating. But that's just the way it is. But in general, it's pretty good about that. Of course, you do have to give it some reasonable inputs. I mean, if you just give it 2 songs, it's not going to be able to do a very good job. But in general, it's pretty accurate. If you have a music library of, say, 30 songs and you want a playlist of at least 10 or 20 minutes, it'll get you the duration you want within about a second. I can also show you this other feature. So if I hit cancel here, I can cancel this playlist. And I can go back here, I can choose a location. So say I don't know how long my trip's going to take, I can tell it where I'm going and it'll determine how long my trip will take. So maybe I want to go to the New England Aquarium. And then I hit start, and then it'll take that and generate a playlist.